Good afternoon everybody, and welcome to season 2 of the chili saucing unboxing sessions. As we all may remember, I received 8 cartons which all get numbered 1 to 8. The first 2 was chosen at random from a tub by my brother, and that revealed Mr. Rick Saunders and Mr. Neil Price. They were number 2 and number 8. So to get to the season 2, I decided to halve the numbers of those 2 people. So half of 2 is 1 and half of 8 is 4. So that ended up revealing Mr. Stephen Dixon as number 1 and Mr. Shawn Overthrow as number 4. So let's see what they have sent me, and I shall try the same tactics. My usual spoon, I have my burning cube, and my knife is ready to open. I shall go for Mr. Shawn's first. There's brown tape around this, by the way, because it was accidentally opened by a member of the family, but not me. So I'll cut the tape off to reveal said contents. Sewing and many bubble wraps, and I have what seems to be a big roll. So what are we getting? Oh, there's actually 3 in here. I'm not expecting 3. Bubble wrap in there. We have I see goddamn. Don't think I've tried that one before. And another one to Joe. Happy birthday, Henry's sauce. Absolutely no clue what this is. He's probably told me, but I forgot. And bottle number 3. Spiral into oblivion. I had a sample of this in a small skull bottle. Now I have my own full bottle, so I will be hunting from these. Let's see how we get on. I shall start with I say goddamn. Give this one a try first. Take off the seal. Let it shake. Try some ingredients first. Barbecue sauce that packs a punch, loaded with naggers, Carolina Reapers, Scotch bonnets, herbs and spices to give a well balanced sauce with levels of flavour. This sauce works great as a marinade on ribs, pulled pork or chicken. I like chicken because that's where most of my sauces end up. There we go, nice blob. Nice bit of heat there, not too hot. But I say goddamn. Nice one, nice sauce. Still there. It's not too hot, but it's a good one. Let's go for the birthday one. This one is loaded with all sorts in there. I have absolutely no clue what's in it or the ingredients, so I could be in trouble here. So let's see what bottle number 2 this. It smells familiar. Can't really pick anything. There we go. Nice helping. I'd have put that with pasta again. I think go for pasta. Pasta. There's a bit of heat there, but I can't tell what's in this. A few chilies in there. Definitely see the colours. I think there'll be a couple of bonnets in there. That might be the taste of the other sauce clashing together. I feel this in my chest. Now here we go. A spoonful of this may cause me pain, I reckon. Here we go. This one contains apple cider vinegar, balsamic vinegar, garlic brown sugar, Naga, Scotch bonnets, 7 pop bubble gums, butcher lock-here, or all lock-here, jalapenos, Carolina Reapers, spices, free from allergen and rice, C-text in bold, blah blah blah, we all know the rules. This one may cause me some pain. So there's definitely a toffee in there. There we go. Everywhere. Actually everywhere. I think I'll blather out across chips, some nice roasted chips, and put that way. I'm not burning the same as I did the first time. I don't know why. It's the same sauce. So I should actually be burning from this. Well, that was the 3 boxes from Mr. Shawn. 3 bottles I should say, not boxes. Now for troublesome box number 1. Mr. Stephen Dixon, the man behind the chugs. Chug 1, I've yet to try. Chug 2, I've yet to buy. By the time I get round to mine, chug 3 will be about. I will do them, not sure when, but I think these sauce tastings will help build up my tolerance a bit. Because after all, they are sauces, not chilies. Chilies cause more pain, but sauces are more easier, I think. So let's see what trouble box number 1 brings me. He actually asked me to wait a couple of days because he's making him a surprise sauce to add to this box, which I have got no clue what it is. I've got no clue what I am about to face. Oh, very posh packaging, trade paper technique. There's actually, there's 4 in here. So we have some night tonic, corrosion. I've heard about this one. Very dangerous, I think. Very dangerous. Remove everything so I'll get places to put said rubbish. Some Endgame, another one I've heard of. This one says Heat Guide Extreme. And some Turmoil. And I'm not sure which one is actually the surprise sauce from these, because I don't know which ones I actually asked for. But I forgot. So we have Turmoil, which is 4 chilies. Endgame Extreme, 5 chilies. Corrosion Extreme, 5 chilies. And Tonic Heat Guide, 3.5 chilies. So we shall start with this one. I'll go Night Tonic, Turmoil, Endgame, not Corrosion, and then Endgame. Ingredients in a Night Tonic: onions, cider vinegar, passata, never heard of, tomato juice, citric acid, water, garlic, mixed super hot chilies, rapeseed oil, and mixed spices. Made in the kitchen, which may handle all allergens, which you all have to be aware of before you buy products. Don't buy something you're allergic to and then complain about it later. It's pointless. So let's see how we get on here. Oh, that is... Can't see this one lasting long. That's my kind of pasta sauce. I like pasta that smells like this. There you go. Nice decent blob there. That is great. Nice wee hiding bits in there. Taste the onions. Not sure what chilies I'm tasting, but my lips have started to burn. With a combination of all sauces that we've tried here. Nice. That's a contender for the pasta bowls. Some Turmoil. I think this is the new one, because the label doesn't look as printed as the rest. So I'll go for this one. Mixed super hot chilies, cider vinegar, white wine vinegar. Can't read the rest of the writing because I can't see. Sweat in my eyes. So we'll go for some Turmoil. See what I end up with. Turmoil. Am I losing my sense of smell? Oh, here we go. See how much Turmoil I get into. I got a flying wasp. There we go. Another blobbage. That's a creeper. We have a bit of a creeper. Maybe because it might have some reapers in it. That was a rubbish rhyme, by the way. I apologise most sincerely. Great. But I never know what to put them with. No good me saying certain foods because I put sauce in anything. Except for cereal, scrambled eggs, chip, whatever we eat, I pick a sauce, put someone nearby and I lob it on. Right then, 2 bottles to go. Corrosion and Endgame. I think I'll try the corrosion, as Endgame is a sitting final bottle to make end the video. So we'll go for corrosion. Mixed super hot chilies again, 36%, good. Grape juice, red peppers, tomato juice, garlic, pomegranate, molasses, whipped cream oil, white wine, vinegar, pecan, salt, pepper, coriander seed, cloves, fennel and smoked paprika. I like smoked paprika, that does bring out things. So let's see what the corrosion tastes like. My nose has actually started to run. So let's give it a bit of a blow. Right, corrosion. See how this one comes out. Oh, it smells evil. It's toffee sauces. Smells toffee. There we go. Usual blob. No point doing sauce tastings if we don't do a spoon. Whew. That's everywhere. Plus it's adding to what I've already had. Yes. Back of the throat. Definitely at the back of the throat. I don't think I'd chug this one. Whew. Bit of a sweat on. And the sun doesn't help, so I can't see it again. Right. Some Endgame. Oh, give it a minute. Right. To keep the heat level up. Mixed super hot chilies, 56%. So I should be in trouble with this one because it's over half the bottle. And garlic, cider vinegar and salt. This one's just going to be pure pain. Yes, pure pain. So let's see how we go on again. Smells like soup. Lentil soup. Lentil soup. It's a runny one. Here we go again. You can see the chilies in there. Oh, that's what's sweating in my eyes. all these sauces are now joining forces and causing me all sorts of saliva. Now in my ears. When the sauce gets to my ears, I know it's going to be hot. Somehow I like that feeling. Why, I do not know. My mouth is watering. Every time I swallow, it burns more. And what else do you expect? Well then, 7 sauces added to the tasting shelf. Whew. Now, to get to season 3, you have to pick another 2 boxes. So this time, I will add these 2 boxes together. So 1 and 4 becomes 5. And seeing there's only 8 boxes, that leaves us number 3. Is 3 and 5 becomes 8. So that means Mr. Ewan Mackenzie and Lee Farina, you two were the next ones to be tasted in my next video. Thank you guys. All these sauces are great. I'm now melting. I will enjoy these on everything I eat. I don't particularly pick any kind of food to put sauces on. I just throw them on, because that's who I am. But anyway, finish the video. A little runny nose salt. Here we go again. Unable to think or see. It's under my eyes. So most of this will be getting done blind. Hope you're enjoying yourself, because I am. I'm enjoying the melting session I am now experiencing. I've now got the snotty nose, which is to be expected. Rubbish sauce again. People lose concentration and forget what I'm doing. So that's one from Mr. Giovanni. He likes to see snot and sweat, so he watches it. That'd be great. Thank you once again for your time, and don't forget, season 3, Ewan Mackenzie, Lee Farina, and thank you.